Welcome to my channel. Maximize your Wi-Fi. Advanced router settings explained. 1. Log in to router. Open your browser, type your router's IP, like 192.168.1.1, and log in with your admin credentials. 2. Update firmware. Go to the firmware or system update section and install any new updates to improve performance and security. 3. Choose the best band. Enable both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands for better speed and range. 4. Change Wi-Fi channel. Pick a less crowded channel to reduce interference and boost speed. 5. Enable COS, quality of service. Prioritize important devices, like laptops or smart TVs, for smoother streaming and browsing. 6. Turn on MIMO or beamforming. If your router supports it, enable these features for faster and more stable connections. 7. Optimize security settings. Use WPA3 or WPA2 encryption and set a strong password to protect your network. 8. Disable unused features. Turn off things like WPS or guest network, if not needed, to make your Wi-Fi more secure and stable. 9. Adjust transmit power. If your router allows, increase power for more range or lower it to reduce interference. 10. Reboot and test speed. Restart your router and check Wi-Fi speed with any speed test tool to see the improvement. Thanks for watching.